The redesigned SAT has the potential to encourage students to process large amounts of information coming from multiple directions by teaching them how to treat evidence, how to think about the sources from which evidence comes, how to put that evidence in historical context. Students in my classroom in particular need to think analytically. That's a big part of what music theory invites students to do. In our study of jazz, for example, students learn very quickly that the beauty of jazz is the improvisation, the infinite number of ways that a musical thought or that a harmonic progression can be expressed and can be elaborated and embellished. In our study of classical works, Beethoven was known to start a symphony and put it away and then go back and mark it up and say, no, that's not what I want, until he was satisfied with the product. The redesigned SAT has the potential to really provide our students with the value of struggle, going back to the drawing board, trying it again, not as drudgery or toil or something to be avoided, but something to be embraced as a part of what it means to be excellent. We are moving away from students who just want to know the right answer. They want to know what the right answers are. They want to know what the possibilities are. If a test can be more than an assessment, but if it can be a tool that leads to transformation and discovery, I think what we're looking at is the possibility for the redesigned SAT to have a fundamental impact on our culture of teaching and learning. When I first saw the blueprint for the redesigned SAT, I was very excited, first of all, about the prospect of inviting our students to campus with skills already in place. What a joy it will be to teach those students and to not have to spend time and resources on just getting them to the starting line. They want to do extraordinarily well. So the redesigned SAT, by providing the kinds of skills that do have meaning, that do have relevance, not just for college success, but for life success. Can you imagine the kinds of students we'll have in our universities 3, 4, 5 years from now?